Jai Gurudev, and thank you for joining us today. Can you tell us about the significance of the Mahalaxmi homam performed in the presence of His Holiness Gurudev Shri Shri Ravi Shankar Ji? Jai Gurudev, thank you for having me. The Mahalaxmi homam is a sacred ritual that invokes the blessings of Goddess Mahalakshmi, the deity of wealth and prosperity. When conducted under the auspices of His Holiness Gurudev Shri Shri Ravi Shankar Ji, the homam gains a deeper spiritual dimension. His presence amplifies the energy and significance of the ceremony, fostering a sense of divine connection among the participants. How does the ritual of Mahalakshmi Homam reflect the values of Vedic Dharma Sansthan? At Vedic Dharma Sansthan, we aim to preserve and promote Vedic traditions and wisdom. The Mahalakshmi Homam embodies these values through its adherence to ancient Vedic scriptures and practices. It emphasizes not only the material benefits of prosperity but also spiritual growth and self awareness. By performing this homam, we encourage individuals to align their intentions with higher principles of dharma and harmony. Can you share some experiences or feedback from participants who attended this special homam? Certainly, after many participants report profound experiences during the homam, they often describe feelings of tranquility, increased positivity, and clarity in their personal and professional lives. The collective chanting of mantras led by learned pandits creates an uplifting atmosphere that resonates deeply with everyone present. Several attendees have shared that their lives are positively transformed after participating, aligning with the teachings of Gurudev on the importance of spirituality in achieving true success. What role does the chanting of Vedic mantras play in the effectiveness of the homam? Chanting Vedic mantras is essential to the homam's effectiveness. Each mantra carries vibrational energy that connects us to the divine and helps elevate our consciousness. As Gurudev has said, the vibrations from ancient mantras can touch the deepest layers of our consciousness, creating a profound sense of peace and awakening. This spiritual resonance is key to invoking the blessings of Mahalakshmi and manifesting abundance in various aspects of life. Looking forward, what are the future plans of Vedic Dharma Sansthan regarding such spiritual ceremonies? We plan to continue organizing more homams and Vedic rituals that not only honor our traditions but also engage with the community to promote spiritual education and awareness. Our goal is to reach a broader audience and provide them with tools for personal growth and enlightenment, much like what we experienced during the Mahalakshmi Homam with Gurudev. Thank you for sharing these insights with us. It sounds like the Mahalakshmi Homam is not just a ritual but a transformative experience for many. Thank you for having me. We invite everyone to join us in these sacred practices and discover the transformative power of Vedic traditions. Jai Gurudev, thank you for sharing insights about the Mahalakshmi Homam. Could you elaborate on any recent scientific research that supports the benefits of this ritual? Recent studies have started to explore the effects of Homa rituals, including the Mahalakshmi Homam, on both individuals and the environment. For instance, research has shown that the rituals of smoke and the materials used can significantly purify the atmosphere. A study highlighted that during Homam, the smoke generated has the potential to create positive vibrations that can help mitigate negative energies in the vicinity. That sounds intriguing. What specific findings have emerged regarding air quality and environmental impacts during such rituals? One study conducted near a Homakund examined the environmental effects of performing the Chandi Homam. It measured the concentration of particulate matter and heavy metals in the air, revealing that the rituals could actually improve local air quality. The study found that the substances released during the homum contained beneficial components that not only reduce harmful emissions but also enrich the surrounding environment. Are there any psychological or health related benefits associated with participating in the Mahalakshmi Homam? Yes, definitely. Participating in Homam rituals has been linked to psychological benefits such as reduced stress and increased feelings of peace and happiness. The mantras chanted during the ritual have a calming effect which can lead to improved mental well being. Furthermore, the offerings made to the sacred fire are said to boost the immune system and promote overall health. It is fascinating to hear how ancient rituals are being validated by modern science. How do these findings resonate with the broader goals of Vedic Dharma Sansthan? At Vedic Dharma Sansthan, our mission is to revive and promote the ancient Vedic practices, showcasing their relevance in today's world. Scientific validation not only strengthens the traditions but also makes them accessible and appealing to a modern audience. By demonstrating the environmental and health benefits of rituals like the Mahalakshmi Homam, we hope to inspire more individuals to engage with these practices. In closing, how do you see the future of Homam rituals in the context of ongoing scientific research? I believe that as more research emerges, Homa rituals will gain wider recognition not only as spiritual practices but also as valuable tools for promoting health and environmental sustainability. Our hope is to integrate these findings into educational programs, encouraging people to partake in these traditions with a deeper understanding of their multifaceted benefits. That is fascinating. Are there any international studies or research that further substantiate the scientific benefits of Mahalakshmi Homam or similar fire rituals? Yes, several international studies have shown that fire rituals like the Mahalakshmi Homam have tangible scientific benefits. One significant area of research focuses on the atmospheric effects of the substances used in the homam. In many cases, international research corroborates the findings of Indian studies on Agnihotra, another Vedic fire ritual, which is similar in nature to the Mahalakshmi Homam. For example, German researchers have studied Agnihotram, examining its potential to purify the environment and neutralize harmful substances in the air. These research has shown that the homam smoke contains antibacterial properties that reduce harmful microorganisms in the atmosphere. Similar findings have emerged from studies conducted in Poland and the United States, where the purifying effects of yajnas on environmental toxins have been documented. That's really impressive. How do these international studies tie into the benefits of performing Mahalakshmi Homam specifically? The Mahalakshmi Homam, which invokes the goddess of wealth and prosperity, uses various organic materials like ghee, herbs, and grains, which, when burned, release positive ions. These ions have been linked to mood improvement and stress reduction, which has been a point of interest for international researchers studying the psychological effects of fire based rituals. Additionally, the energetic vibrations created during the chanting of Vedic mantras have been found to align with certain frequencies that have a calming effect on the human brain, promoting mental clarity and emotional balance. Has there been any research linking these rituals to overall health improvement? The integration of fire, mantra chanting, and offerings creates a unique confluence of elements that can positively impact both physical and mental health. In the US, studies on the holistic health effects of rituals like the Agnihotra have found correlations between participation in these rituals and lowered blood pressure, reduced anxiety, and improved immune responses. The smoke from the homum is believed to purify not just the environment but also the participants' aura, reducing stress and fostering emotional well being. Do you see these international studies as a way to bridge the gap between ancient wisdom and modern science? Definitely, these studies validate the holistic and environmental benefits of Vedic rituals and help make ancient traditions more relatable to a global audience by demonstrating that practices like the Mahalakshmi Homam have tangible, measurable benefits ranging from air purification to emotional well being. Modern science is proving what our sages have known for millennia. We believe this fusion of ancient wisdom and contemporary research can encourage more people to embrace these spiritual practices, not only for personal growth but also for collective well being. You have mentioned the psychological and environmental benefits of Mahalakshmi Homam based on international research. Are there any newer scientific studies that explore the physiological or biochemical impacts of such rituals? Yes, indeed, some of the more recent international studies are looking into how fire rituals like the Mahalakshmi Homam can influence physiological and biochemical processes in the body. For example, researchers in the field of psychoneuroimmunology have been studying the effects of mantra chanting and focused prayer on stress hormones, immune function, and neural plasticity. Studies conducted in Europe and the United States have shown that the rhythmic repetition of Vedic mantras as performed during the homam can trigger the release of serotonin and dopamine, neurotransmitters associated with feelings of well being and happiness. That's fascinating. Can you elaborate on how this research connects the practice of homam to health outcomes? Absolutely. The physiological impacts of fire rituals like the Mahalakshmi Homam are becoming more widely recognized. For instance, research from the University of Pennsylvania and Stanford University has highlighted how certain forms of rhythmic chanting, such as those used in fire rituals, can induce meditative states. These states have been shown to reduce cortisol levels, which are responsible for stress and enhance overall heart rate variability, a key marker of cardiovascular health. Additionally, controlled studies in Germany and India have found that the inhalation of smoke from specific herbs and materials used in homum has detoxifying properties. These studies suggest that the smoke might act as a natural antimicrobial, helping cleanse the respiratory system and promoting better lung function. That sounds incredibly beneficial. What about any emerging research on the communal or social effects of participating in such rituals? Social cohesion and collective consciousness are important aspects of rituals like the Mahalakshmi Homam. There is increasing interest in understanding how group activities like the collective chanting and participation in a fire ritual influence group dynamics and community health. Research from the fields of sociology and psychology, particularly studies from Harvard University, have found that group rituals help strengthen social bonds and promote a sense of shared identity. These communal experiences can reduce feelings of isolation and increase empathy among participants. Jai Gurudev.